right, traders, before I get started, I want to take a moment here to give two offers to you. One offer is a Trading Ichimoku with Fractals webinar. This webinar will be held this Saturday, October 10th at 10 a.m. U.S. Central Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This webinar is going to focus on trading Ichimoku with fractals and price action. So if you learn how to use fractals, you can increase the probability of your trades, as fractals pretty much ensure you're trading in the proper direction. And I will discuss a lot of the things using fractals and a lot of the tactics that I have not shown on YouTube, but only in my members section of our forum. All right, so you're going to have the opportunity to learn a little bit how I use fractals to trade, and where we look for these trades, how we look for these trades, and those are all important aspects of trading. So you have an opportunity to do that. This is a free webinar, so you can attend that webinar by clicking the link that you see above or posted here. All right, or you can go to my site, www.fxatOneGlance.com, and go to the blog, and you will see this webinar listed, and you can register for the webinar. All right. Okay, and then my second offer for you guys is a special offer that I'm going to offer, and that is going to be the offer of purchasing my Ichimoku online video course, and you'll receive VIP membership into my site until the end of 2015, so till January 1st of the start of next year. So this offer starts immediately and it ends on 10/12/15 at the stroke of midnight, which is next Monday coming up. With this offer, you'll receive access to the member section of this forum that I have, where you can receive trade alerts and trade setups and opportunities. You'll also see our weekly webinars. I hold weekly webinars, so you'll be able to attend those every week until the end of the year. And then you'll get the 7-day weekly market forecasts and the midweek market outlook videos. Those videos show you a lot of trading opportunities, trading setups from the stuff that I've been teaching. So you'll be able to use those videos to help you to find trade setups. And then you also have access to our members chat room on the forum. And there's much more opportunities for you to learn more than Ichimoku, but also price action techniques using fractals. So you learn how to always trade in the proper direction, and also when to trade in the proper direction. You'll learn to understand when, where, how, and why to enter a trade, and also how to keep your emotions in check. All right. So those are some of the big things that traders really need to understand and know how to do. So if you want to take advantage of this offer, it's going to last for 5 days only. So what you must do is follow this link that's listed below, or listed right here above us on the link that's listed here on the video, and then purchase the Ichimoku online video course for the normal price of $250. And then once you purchase, I will give you full members access until January 1st, 2016. So I can guarantee that this offer is well worth the $250 purchase, guaranteed. All right, so please visit www.fxatOneGlance.com and then navigate to the courses tab on the top of the page, and then click online video course, and you will see the video course. Just click the video course and purchase the video course, and I will give you full access to my site, and you'll have that for 1 year. All right, and I'm guaranteeing you that you will definitely profit from that $250 that you purchased the course for. So let me end that here, and I'm gonna go on and continue and show you what I wanted to show you with the video that I have in store. So let's get going with that. All right, traders, so you're looking at the Aussie yen on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see I'm in a trade. It's fresh trade. It's 33 pip target profit currently. So you could see there was a pullback here, and then I entered the market. So what caused me to enter the market here? What was the purpose for me entering the market? I mean, you have to understand why and how to enter the market. So why did I enter this market? Okay, and how did I know that this pullback was going to take place and probably end at this in this area here for me to take the trade? One way is we're just looking at this price action here, where we see this indecision candle. All right, but that's not the only way. You have to know where, okay? Because you could see a bunch of indecision candles, and then do you just trade those candles? No, you don't just trade those candles. You have to trade levels and understand where levels of support and resistance are. Some people trade supply and demand, so pretty much even if you know those levels, you're still going to be looking for certain things. But what I use a lot of is fractals, guys. So fractals are very important. Fractals keep me in the proper direction of the trade. Fractals keep me, allow me to place my stop loss where a more technical level is, okay, and definitely keeps me, you know, from jumping in trades when I shouldn't be in trades and going in the wrong direction of the market. So you can see here I entered the market here. Currently, this market has broken a bull fractal and it has never broken a bear fractal, right? Well, here's a bear fractal here. So my idea is that the market is not going to break any bear fractals until it decides to turn around. Until then, I want to follow the market trend to the upside. Now I do have some support and resistance levels based off of the daily time frame. I started setting up everything based off of the daily time frame. So looking at the daily time frame, the market is below the Kumo here. So we know it's pretty bearish, but currently if you look at the market, you can't just look at saying I'm below the cloud, so I'm bearish. We are bearish, but the immediate trend was bullish right here, okay? But we can also see that the market is sideways here. So if we don't catch that sideways movement, then we don't really understand what's happening with the market. But I know that once the market reaches this level here, based off of seeing the support levels of the range. So let me show you the range really quick. You got to be able to see these ranges because the market's pretty much in a range here. All right, so we have an established upper level, established lower level. The market's approaching this upper level. So when I take that breakout on the 4 hour time frame, I know that there's a level, and I have it drawn in here, that maybe the market's going to falter or fail. And also I can see that I'm almost pressing up against a resistance level of the cloud. So that's going to be an issue for me. But when I go to the 4 hour time frame, and I've entered my trade, even if I take a breakout here, had I taken this breakout, I still realize that this is the level where the market's gonna find resistance maybe, and I may not be able to go any farther with my trade. Being that I entered here, I still also know this is that area. So I want to see what the market does when it gets to this area, if it can violate this level and continue to the upside. All right. But the thing that really is keeping me and helping me to enter the trade is knowing the market structure based off of the fractal levels, based off of what the market is doing. Is the market breaking bear fractals as it has here? So it broke a bear fractal, broke another bear fractal, another bear fractal, another bear fractal. So that means if it's breaking bear fractals, I shouldn't be trading to the upside. Here we broke a bull fractal, we broke another bull fractal, broke another bull fractal. We haven't broken this bull fractal yet. So since we're breaking bull fractals, I want to be trading to the upside, not to the downside. All right. So therefore, there's also levels for me to trade. So I need to know these levels and how to enter the market and where to enter the market. So I'm having that webinar, as I said, on Saturday, and I'm going to show you guys how to enter the market, where to look for these levels, how to follow these fractals, and a lot of more other things about fractals and using them to enter your trades. Okay, so just wanted to update that, show you guys this, let you see this trade that entered. I'm going to teach you guys how to find these pullback levels, where to enter these trades from, and how to use the price action at these pullback levels. Okay, so normally we were looking at Ichimoku, we would look for the price to come all the way back to the Kijinsen here. Well, when the market's in a strong pullback, it's not going to come all the way back to the key. When the market's in a strong trend, sorry, it's not going to come all the way back to the Kijinsen. It's going to come back to certain other levels that show support and resistance. One of the levels here is the Tenkan-sen. We use the Tenkan-sen a lot to get trades from, but also we use fractal levels a lot to trade and get trades off of. So I'm going to give you the opportunity to learn a lot more about it. I'm going to go into it in detail in our webinar on Saturday. So if you'd like to attend that webinar, again, it's posted on my site at fxatOneglance.com. Just visit my site, go to the blog, and you'll see it's the first posting. Click on the letters, the words that say trading Ichimoku with fractals, and that'll take you to the link where you can click and register for the webinar. and then I will talk much more about all these fractals, how to look for pullback trades with these fractals, how to trade breakouts of fractal levels. So we'll get deep into that and how to use these fractals as stop losses and profit targets. So we'll get deep into that, and hopefully you guys attend. And if you attend, I really won't hold back any information. I'll give you all that I have. All right, so hopefully this is helping you guys a little bit. Hopefully you come to the webinar on Saturday and that helps you even more. But until then, have a great day and God bless. So long.